Welcome back, my students. In the last session, we studied how to read and write a fraction. Today, we want to learn how to compare between two fractions and how to arrange a fraction. If you want to compare between two fractions, the two fractions may have the same denominator or the same numerator, or they may be completely different. We want to learn how to compare between two fractions in three cases. Let's start with the first case. If the two fractions have the same denominator, let's write fractions, suitable fractions for this figure and this figure. Let's start with this one. I want to write a suitable fraction represent this part, the red part, okay? Yes, 1 over 5. We have only one red part out of 5 parts. Look at the second one, the one here on the left. Yes, 3 over 5. Okay. You can notice that 3 over 5 is greater than 1 over 5. The red part here is greater than the red part here. So, 1 over 5 is less than 3 over 5. In general, if you have two fractions with the same denominator, just hide this number and compare between the two numerators as usual. So, hide the number down and compare between the two numbers up. Let's try to solve this example. Put a suitable sign. I want to put a suitable sign greater than, less than, or equal. We have 3 examples here. And don't forget, if we have the same denominator, hide it and compare between numerators. 3 over 11, 2 over 11. Okay, yes, 3 is greater than 2, so 3 over 11 is greater than 2 over 11. The second one, try to do it yourself, it's very easy. Yes, of course, 3 over 13 is less than 7 over 13. What about the last one here? 2 over 9 is less than 5 over 9. Okay, let's move to case number 2. The second case, if the two fractions have the same numerator. Look at the two figures here. We have the same rectangle, but here, this rectangle is divided to 4 parts. Here, this rectangle is divided to 10 parts. So, let's begin by writing the suitable fraction. The first one here will be 1 over 4. This is the fraction represented by the red part. Okay, what about this figure, the second one? Yes, 1 over 10. We can notice that this part is greater than this one. So, 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 10. Even 10 is greater than 4. So, in this case, as we are doing the opposite, okay? If we have the same number up, compare between the number down, but do the opposite. Do the opposite, okay? Let's try to solve this example. Put a suitable sign greater than, less than, or equal. And don't forget, if the two fractions have the same numerator, then the fraction that has the smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. Okay, it's the opposite. Okay, let's start. 3 over 7 and 3 over 11, the same number up. So, yes, 3 over 7 is greater than 3 over 11. Because here we have the same number up. Okay. 1/2 and 1/4. Yes, 1/2 or a half is greater than a quarter. Okay, the last one. 7/10 is less than 7/9. Okay, this is the second case. So, the first case, hide the number down, compare as usual between the numbers up. The second case, compare between the numbers down, but by an opposite way. Okay, by an opposite way. Okay, what about the third case? If the two fractions are completely different. For example, we have here 4/9 and 2/11. In this case, they are different. Did they have the same number up? The same numerator? No. Did they have the same number down? Denominator? No. So, what can we do? In this case, the simplest method is to make cross multiplying or cross product. Like this. Multiply 9 times 2. Okay, and write the result up. So 9 times 2 equal 18, and 11 times 4 cross. For this reason, we call it cross product. 11 times 4 equal 44. So 44 and 18. Now I'll compare between 44 and 18. Yes, 44 is greater than 18. So 4/9 is greater than 2/11. Okay? I want you to note that we can write one by different methods or by different way. We can write one as a fraction by different way. But the two numbers should be the same. The number up should be the same number down. Because if you remember, 2/2, it means 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. By the same way, 100 divided by 100 equal 1. Okay, let's complete. Put a suitable sign greater than, less than, or equal. We have two examples here. They are completely different. Let's make a cross product together. Imagine, don't write, just imagine. 7 times 4, 28. 9 times 3, 27. So we have 27 and 28. Which one is greater? 28. So 3/7 is less than 4/9. Okay, let's move to the second one. By the same way, they are completely different. So 10 times 3, 30. 5 times 6, also 30. So what is the suitable sign here? Greater than? No. Less than? No. So equal. They are equal. 30 and 30. Okay. Now we want to arrange fractions. Put the following in an ascending order. Let's remember that ascending means start from the smallest. Okay? It means start from the smallest. Okay. We have here 1/6, 7/6, 5/6, and the whole one. Okay, pay attention. Here we have the same number up or the same number down. Sorry. Yes, we have the same number down. Here we have 6, 6, 6. So I want one also to be a fraction with the number down or the bottom number is 6. So I write one as 6/6. Okay? So we have now 1/6, 7/6, 5 over 6 and 6 over 6. We can arrange now. Arrange as usual. Start from the smallest one. We have 1, 7, 5, 6. So 1, this is the first, 5, then 6, then 7. So 1 over 6, 5 over 6, and 6 over 6, which is 1. Don't write 6 over 6. Write the original here, 1. Okay? And 7 over 6 is the greatest one. Let's take another example. Put the following in a descending order. Do you remember descending order? Start from the greatest. Okay? Okay. Look at here. We have 3 over 7, 3 over 5, and 3 over 4. And we have 1. Okay. Do we have the same number up or the same number down? Yes, we have the same number up, the same numerator. So, how can I write 1 here? Yes, 3 over 3. Okay? Don't forget, if we have the same number up, we are doing the opposite. So I want to start from the greatest fraction. The greatest fraction means the smallest denominator or the smallest number down. So 3 over 3. This is the smallest number down. Then 3 over 4, 3 over 5, and finally 3 over 7. Okay? So 1 is the greatest here is 1. Then 3 over 4, 3 over 5, and finally 3 over 7. Okay? I hope you have understand our lesson today. I want you to study hard. Next session, we will learn how to simplify a fraction. Okay? Thank you very much for listening. See you next session.